Morning from Malta. I've woken up to the news that the Nero Awards were announced last night and I got it wrong. The winner was A Family Matter by Claire Lynch. Not that I mind I got it wrong, because when I read this debut novel, I absolutely loved it. This story of two timelines of Heron in 2022 wanting to talk to his daughter Maggie, and in 1982 the story of Maggie's mother Dawn. And it's a story of loss and love, and you feel for all of the characters, and you have to excuse me, I've not even got any makeup on yet, but it was absolutely, it is a really good book. Okay, I got it wrong, but I don't care because I read this book anyway. So the winner of the Nero Book Prize this year is Claire Lynch's A Family Matter, and read it, you'll love it.